Nature of roots of a quadratic equation through its discriminant. So dear student, this is general quadratic equation and this is its discriminant. Now discriminant is either positive or it is equal to 0 or it is negative. And we start with negative. So dear students, if discriminant is negative, then roots are complex and they are different. And if discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and they are the same. But dear students, if discriminant is positive, then roots are different, rational or irrational. Now remember, if discriminant is positive and a perfect square, then roots are rational. And if discriminant is positive and an imperfect square, then roots are irrational.